Everyone, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Everyone in? You need to join? Okay. So, have you completed the exercises which I gave yesterday for you? Couple of exercises.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
please
Yes.
share.
send it to me.
It's executing. Let me know who are facing errors, who are facing challenges.
I got a problem in last one, sir. First one I did, yeah. Last one.
Okay. Share your screen. Share the code. Others, all good?
Yeah, it's good for me. I sent it to your
Yeah.
Telegram.
I got it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And this one, sir, can you find out what's the mistake in?
What is it? Can you please come again?
What's the mistake here? Fine. I don't know. That's
Okay. Create a procedure which will take. See, what is the question?
uh,
I'll tell you the question. Let me check the group.
create a procedure to get a list of customer for the given branch name.
So what is the input here? Okay. Let me share my screen. I'll do it so that you'll understand. Is it
Okay,
okay?
okay,
Shall I
sir.
do or you want me to check your screen? Sandeep?
Yeah, you do, and I correct from there.
Okay. So others all both have done both questions. Be genuine. Let me know any issues because based on that I can move on to the next step. That's why I'm asking.
I had a problem with the second question also.
First one,
No, second one.
you have problem with second one again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who else? Okay, very good. Fine. So create a procedure to delete the record if the input ID exists. If does not exist, given ID is not existing in the table. So let's take customers table or employees table, whatever table. Let's say select star from employees. I'm taking this table. Okay. So declare at the rate employee ID integer. Set at the rate employee ID is equal to. So there are 1 to 8. Let's say I'll give 7. If the input ID exists, then delete. Here, where employee ID is equal to input ID, whatever the input we are sending. Existing? Yes, existing. Instead of this way, if exists, you can write, or count of star you can write. Count of star will be easy for you instead of writing exist, if exist. If of this is greater than 0, it means that it is existing. Delete from table. Delete from table, what you are going to delete? Given employee ID. Agree? That's it.
Yes. Yeah.
So delete from table, delete from table with where condition, just what we need to add, where value is equal to so and so. That's it. Okay. If does not exist, so you can say begin, end, print, data is deleted for the given employee ID. Cast of I don't know why cursor went here. 7. Cast of at the rate employee ID as worker of that. Okay. Else given employee ID given employee ID
Does not exist.
does not exist. That's all. Now see, 7 it will check. 7 is available. So it is going to delete data from 7. So data is deleted for the given employee ID. Spelling mistake. Excuse. Okay. Now let's say I'll give 10. It says given employee ID 10 does not exist in the system. That's all. Writing a procedure for this. Create a procedure USP underscore delete given ID. Input parameter is there, that is employee ID. Integer. Begin. That's all. Because you have written, I copy paste it. Now I'll just execute this. I'll pass the value, let's say 5. 5 is available. Available. So it is going to delete 5. Data is deleted from for the given employee ID 5. Okay. That's it. So let's say I'll give 15. 15 is not okay, 55 not available. So given employee 55 does not exist in the system. Okay. Fine. Next one. Create a procedure to display customers data for the given branch name. If branch name exists, get the customer data. If branch name does not exist, the given branch is not available. So where are branches and where are customers? First. So first let us see. Input is branch name. Output is
Customer data.
customers data. Okay. Where is branches? Seed. Where is customers? Seed. If we see branches, there are 16 branches which we discussed during joins. Branch ID is there. And if you see here, branch ID, Alt F1, if you press on the table, branch ID is an auto-generated column and branch ID is a primary key actually. I don't know, it is not showing. Okay, it is primary key. In other database, it is, I don't know how it came. Now, customers, if you see, there are customers data. We have a branch ID column. Actually, this is a foreign key, whether it is there or not. Yeah, it is there. See, foreign key to branches, to branch ID. Okay. And customer ID is a primary key. Okay. Now, what is the input? Branch name is the input. But customers have branch ID. So, how they to connect? Based on branch ID. So, let's say I want to get the list of customers who belongs to so and so branch. Let's say Jayanagar branch. So input is Jayanagar branch. Example. So what we'll do? Select start from branches where branch name, bank manager name is branch name is B name is equal to Jayanagar. Existing? Yes, existing. Okay. As it is existing, I can get the data. What is 4? 4 is a branch ID. Now what I do? Select start from customers where branch ID is equal to 4. I got the customers data. So let's say not Jayanagar. Let's say it is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar existing? No. So we'll not get the data. Got it? So how you can achieve this? You can achieve in 2 ways. One is using joins. One is using subqueries. Let us use joins first. Select star from branches B, join customers C on branch dot branch ID is equal to customers dot branch ID. What is the input? Branch name, where B dot branch name is equal to Jayanagar. So here we are getting all data. What happened? Jayanagar spelling wrong. You are getting all data, like branch data you are getting, customers data you are getting. I want only customers data, C dot star. We got only customers data. So this is what it is. Now make it as a parameter. Declare at the rate branch name varchar of 20 set at the rate branch name is equal to Jayanagar. I'll send this branch name instead of Jayanagar. Story over. Okay. If I say it is not Jayanagar, if it is Gandhinagar, you will not get data. That's it. So if it does not exist, it has to show branch name does not exist, correct? So this is should be wrapped in a condition now. How? If of select count of star from branches where branch name is equal to branch name. If it exists greater than 0, then do this. Agree? Else print given branch name it's already a varchar, so no need to concatenate, no need to convert. Given branch name does not exist in the system. Okay. So now it will print Gandhinagar does not exist in the system. If I say Jayanagar, it will not print, it will just give the customer's data. Agree? This is the procedure. Now, this is with the help of a join. You can use even with subquery. With subquery, how do you achieve? You see here you are getting branches, you are getting branch ID. Okay, let's say if it is a Jayanagar, you will get a branch ID. You take the branch ID and send that branch ID here. Instead of 4, what you'll do? You take this, you send this here, and you send here branch ID. That's all. Correct? Pastaba, I'm sorry. So you just need to take this and keep it in the place of this join. Instead of Jayanagar, you have to pass the variable name. See here, if there is a branch ID, it is going to, if it's a branch, it is going to get the data. If this is not there, it is going to say does not exist in the system. That's all. Easy.
For the branch name, why did you, there is the greater than 0? It's not a branch.
Count, Supriya. We are taking the count of branches where branch name is available. You see here, let's say, when I execute this, it will return 0. 0 greater than 0? No. So that's why it says given branch does not exist. See here. It is printing given branch does not exist. If I say this one, it is greater than 0 because this returns 1. 1 greater than 0, true. So it will get into this and execute this and get the branches data.
Oh,
See?
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Clear, right? So you can use if condition like this. You can write if exists of. How you can write if exists of? If exists of, select star from branches where branch name is equal to this. That's all. If exists means, is there data for this? That is a question. Is there data for this? Yes, data is there for this. Execute this. Both output are one and same. Okay?
Got it. If we put the count, then we have to put the number. If we
Count is
do,
like, it's easy for you to check. Okay, it is existing 1 greater than 0, 0 greater than 0, false. If you say if exists of, it is going to check with whole data. Like the data exists or not, that's it.
okay.
That is not checking with any counter. Any data is there for this given input. Yes, then get it. Either way you can write. You have written the second way if exists. Supriya?
Yes.
Okay.
The second way.
Okay. Either way, it's up to your comfort. Okay. Both are one and same. Both are correct. Procedure ESP underscore get customer data. Branch name. As begin end. You can take whichever one you want, subquery one you want, or join one you want. I'm taking the join one. That's all procedure. If you know the code, if you have written the script, procedure is easy for you now. That's how I have learned. Okay. I have learned that way. For me also, when I was hearing, when I was 2 years experience, 3 years experience, I told you, right, my journey. So at that time, whenever someone asked me to write a stored procedure, I get that pinch of panic. Hey, I need to write a stored procedure, what to do. Then, okay, I learned, right? So that's better to write a script, better to write a SQL first, like this. Then write a script first, like this. Then convert to a procedure. It's easy. Okay. Now, execute, let's say 5. 5 does not exist. Sorry, 5, right? I had to give the branch name, not branch ID. I have given a branch ID. I'm sorry. Branch name of 5, Banshankari. So we got data. 3 records are there. Okay. Are you clear on this? Any questions? Any questions?
No questions, sir.
You got the mistake where you did? Again,
Yes, sir.
tell me, what is your confidence level on procedures now?
Creating the procedure is pretty easy, but writing the query is a little hard.
Yes. Yeah. Shall I move on to the next one, or you want me to give a few more examples to you? Next one is also procedures. Next one is also about procedures only. Do you want a few more examples, or can I move on?
You can move on. I don't know about others.
Yeah, I think we can move on.
Good. Okay. So, sharing my screen. Okay, before I share, just a moment, let me get the script. Okay, sharing my screen before that. La, 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 la. Few more for you. Okay, you see my screen? So this is a SQL script which is used to create a database. This is about library management system. Okay. This will be a new database. I'll give the script which will create few tables for it, which is required tables for that. Okay. With primary key, foreign keys, and there is a data loading also. It is going to load data to all those tables which are required, and on top of it, I'll give you the questions. Okay. So I'm sending this in Telegram now. So I'm closing the stored procedures window. I'm creating a new window and I'm going to create a database. Okay, this database already exists. So you can go ahead directly, but I'm going to create a new database. Underscore one. Okay. Replace all. So for me, what is this? So I'm going to create a new database and create all the tables. I just Control A and click on execute. Can you all do that? Can you all do that and let me know?
Yeah, done.
Good. After doing that, go to the databases, refresh. You get this database, new database which I created. Click on it. Can you please do it and confirm, everyone?
Yeah, done, sir.
It's working, sir.
Alisha, Supriya, Sandeep, Yugen.
Done.
Done, sir.
Done.
Done, sir.
Very good. So now write a query. Select star from information schema dot tables. So this is a query which is usually helpful to show you all the list of tables in that particular database. Or you can go and expand also, but sometimes your tables will be more. Here we have very few tables in our database. But in real time, you will have more tables. That's the reason. If you write this, you'll get the list of tables in your database. So there are 7 tables. Okay. Now, how to get to know relationships between them? Don't know, right? How to do? Right click, design query in the editor, select the tables, click on add, and close this. This is not required. Minimize this. See, now this is new to me. Okay. It's been more than 2 years that I worked with tables, with these tables. So it's new to me also. Okay. How I understand the tables, I'm just trying to explain. So now trying to separate the tables so that to know which is the parent table. So this is a book loan, which is a child to branch, book copies. Okay. Okay. This is, okay. Now I got it. So, so you got it right. This is a child table to book as well as branches.
Sir, I didn't get.
No, I just on mute, covered the background sound. So what we need to do is now these are the relationships, right? We can take a screenshot of this and keep it with us so that whenever we do joins, no need to generate everything every time this screenshot. I mean this image. Okay. Can I have 5 minutes time, please? I'll be back. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. Meantime, you can do this same exercise. I'll be back.
And that's already
How to do this one? Do we have to click right click?
So first you have to change your
Database, I did it.
and then right click on your there's like a blank space on your query. Then you put design, just let me see, a
Okay.
design query in editor, and then
Right click design
and then you
query in editor. Yeah.
and then you add them.
Yeah,
Okay.
select all and add. And you got
Select.
the select all.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna maybe need to share the screen.
I don't think
You
you can
cannot
share
share
it.
because
Oh,
sorry,
oh,
share this
okay.
one here.
Yeah. Select. Yeah. It's popping up like add table. I have to add the table.
Yes, you have to select all,
Select there's a different option here.
Okay. First, I need to create the table, or
No,
No.
no.
You just have to- Did you see the TBL_book and table_book_authors? Do you see those table names?
okay, maybe that's the one that the source here on the Telegram, right? Devotee. I need to open that file then. This. No. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm sorry. By the way, today is Sri Ramanavami, you know?
Oh, no,
You don't know?
no idea.
Okay.
I know because my mom told me so. She was saying that Balin is, basically taking over.
Oh, soiling in today?
It
Yeah, I
is
think that's what.
Sri Ramanavami today.
Okay. Jai Shri Ram.
Sir, it's not working.
No, I'm working today. I have office today.
No, my computer is not working. I don't know.
So
It's
you will
not.
come. Okay, okay. Do you want my help?
I don't know. I think so.
Okay, share your screen.
I think that's just your laptop issue.
Yeah, it's stuck. It is not responding. Okay.
Restart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or else you leave it for some time. It will come. Don't click anything.
I think it's
So
done.
now, yeah, we have this diagram now, correct? So these are the
Yeah.
list of tables. These are the list of tables. So what I do is I'll generate here table name. Don't disturb me. Go. So these are the list of tables. Select start from Okay, now what it will do is it is going to generate the queries.
రివర్స్ చేసుకుంటాను నువ్వు
You got it? What I did? You got what I did? Yes, no? This is a table name from this. So it will give list of tables because it's a character. Table name is a character. Right?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good.
Table name is nothing but list of characters. Ayyo. So I'm just concatenating with select star from so that it is going to concatenate and give the queries. So I copy paste it, we'll get all the list of tables.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So let us go through the requirements. Now I'll get to the requirements. Ready?
Yes, sir.
I'm getting your requirements. Ayyo, where is this? Just a moment, I had saved the required.
నేను చిన్నపాప చేస్తున్నాను నువ్వేమన్నా నా దగ్గర స్నానం చేసుకున్నావా నా దగ్గర ఏమన్నా టీషర్ట్ వేసుకున్నావా నేను చిన్నపాప చేస్తున్నాను రాను నేను రాను నేను చరణ్ అన్నయ్య ఈడ క్రికెట్ ఆడుకుంటున్నాను
Ayyo. So for now, I'm going to get you 3 requirements on this. Let me know you see my screen now. How
Yes,
many
sir.
copies of books titled The Lost Tribe? How many copies of the book titled Lost Tribe are owned by Padam. Are owned by I'm sorry guys, please don't mind for the background sound.
It's okay.
Okay. So first one, how many copies of the book Lost Tribe are owned by library branch whose name is Shopstop? How many copies of the book so and so are owned by the by each library branch? And next, retrieve the names of all all borrowers who do not have any books checked out. So I know even if you ask me, it is something new for me, right? So I need to just understand the data. So they are saying book title. Okay. See the list of books and there are multiple titles. Okay. And there are publishers also. Next, books and authors is a bridge table. So it's a refers to book and refers to author. So here there is no separate author table. This is itself a author table, and it having a reference to book ID. So in our earlier example, we have authors table, books table, and we had a child table which has a foreign key to books and which has a foreign key to authors, right? But here it is not like that. It is an author table. It is having foreign key to book. That's what I understood. Okay. That's an author table. It is having directly foreign key to book, and each book written by only one author. See, book 1 written by author 1, book 2 written by author 2, book 3 written by author 3, book 4 written by. So that's what I understood by seeing the data. Now, how many copies of books are there? See. So these having foreign key to book. Okay. And this is forget about this. This is just ID value. Okay. This is the book ID. Book 1 having 5 copies, book 2 having 5 copies, book 4 having 5 copies. These are the copies of each book. There are 20 books. Huh? There are 20 books. No. Total 80 rows are there. Okay. There are 20 books, but belongs to multiple branches. Okay. Branches are different. Fine. Loans means who has taken books. So what is the card number? When it went out? When is it due to return that? And which is the branch? So library branch is here. Which branch? Okay, what is the branch name? What is the address of the branch? Publisher. Who is the publisher of the book? So these are the publishers, right? Publisher name, publisher address, publisher phone. But publisher ID is not there. We are directly referring to publisher name here. If there is a publisher ID here, we can have an ID foreign key reference. Okay. Have got some idea on this? Got some idea on the data?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us see how many copies of the book titled are owned by library branch so and so. So what is the title of the book? Let us take it. Where title is equal to this. So okay, book is 20. So next, what is the library branch? So get the library branch. And library branch, what is it? Shopstown. So where branch name is equal to Shopstown. Oh. So now we got these two. What is the link between these two? Here branch is there, here book is there. Okay. We should have a copy. How many copies they are saying, right? We'll see this table. So copies have it's a bridge table between books and branches, see, and how many copies. So we can say where book ID is equal to so and so and branch ID is equal to so and so. So here if you see book ID is 20, branch ID is 1. So these are where is the book ID? Book ID. So these are the copies held by these are the copies of the book held by this branch. Okay. Now what? How many procedures of the book total? How many copies of the book are owned? So how many copies? 5 copies. So how do you write this? You can write using joins. You can write using subqueries. Can you do this as assignment?
Yeah,
I
sure.
explained you what is the relationship. I explained you how you need to filter. It's easy for you to write a procedure. I want the procedure for 2 ways. One is writing joins, one is writing procedure. Sorry, subqueries. Agree?
Yeah.
So what is the input for this procedure? Now I'll convert this as a procedure. Create a procedure to get okay. Create a procedure to get this. What is the input here?
Branch name.
Input R title, book title,
Yeah.
comma. What is the other one?
Branch name.
Branch name. These are the two inputs. Output is just number of copies of the book. That's all. So you can print even total table also, nothing wrong. Fine. Fine. I'll give you this. So if I give you, you can easily continue writing your procedure here. Okay. Shall we see the next question?
Yeah.
How many copies of the book title last drive are owned by each branch? So each branch, again same. If you see this is just having it. I want across branch, not a filter for the branch. So across branch. So across branch means I want all branches where this book is there and how many copies. So there is no need of this filter. You just need to give this. So branch 20 is there in all the branches. 1, 2, 3, 4 branches on this. So here I'll write, okay. Create a procedure to get branch name and number of copies of the book title are owned. So all branches. Fine. Can you do this? No, yes. Tell me.
Okay, sir.
How to do? You don't know? I want count of books across the branch name. How do you do?
Group
Joins
by.
you have to use. That's it.
I think
You
yeah,
just need
inner
to,
join make it confirm by
yeah, you can do inner join and then just need to try. Okay, once you start doing it, you get to know that you'll get the ideas. Okay. So first these two you do, third one we'll do in the session. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. See again, I don't know these answers. I'm just trying in front of you. So once I start doing like this, I get an idea how to continue. So I would like to stop the session here today. I have a lot of work to continue on the puja. Is it okay if I stop here?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
But before you go, could you please send the question?
I'm sending you this SQL file. Okay. I'll say LMS underscore assignment. Okay. 3 questions I'm sending. If you want to try, you can try, nothing wrong. But we'll do 3 in the session. I'll correct if you have done, you can, if you done any mistakes, you can cross check.
Okay.
Hope this should be helpful for your practice, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll try to get more like this for your assignments, but I want you to put good hands on. I want you to feel confidence that I can do it. That is the reason I'm doing all these exercises. Okay. Giving multiple questions. I never did for any previous batch like this. Okay. Fine. Thank you, everyone.
Appreciate it, sir.
Sri Ramanami. Bye.
Thank you.
Good night.